Welcome to Simple Coding. Today we would like to make a service section slider using HTML CSS and Owl Carousel 2.3 versions. Here in this code I use CSS clip path and some content in the bottom portion of the code. Here is my HTML file. First of all, I link the CDN link Owl Carousel CDN link min.css. Next, we link the CDN link of Owl Carousel theme.default.min.css. Then I link the Owl Carousel JS CDN link. After that, we link the jQuery CDN link before the Owl Carousel CDN link within the body tag. Then link our own style sheet. Here is my CSS file. So let's start coding. First, I take a div and first I take a section plus service h1 plus section heading. So let's design service with 100% height, 100 VH, padding 50 pixel, top bottom, left right 0, background color var bg color. Then section heading font size 30 pixel, font weight bold, color var primary color, text transform uppercase, margin bottom 5 pixel, position relative. I add a plus center next to the section heading. Center, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Now I take a span tag plus border, position absolute, left 50%, transform translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%, width 200 pixel, height 4 pixel, background image. Here I use linear gradient color. Now open live server. Here is it. Now I take a div plus container. Within the container there is another div plus wrapper. Now I take all the HTML code from Owl Carousel docs, copy it and paste it within the wrapper, cut down all items except one. Now take the script code and paste it after the script link. Then design the card. Div class item. First I take a div img outside, then take another div img inside. Within the div I take a img tag. Now I take a div class content. There are a s3 tag and a p tag. Now copy all the item codes and paste it 4 times. Change the image path. First, I design the container with 100% overflow hidden. Wrapper, display flex, align item center, justify content center with 80%, padding 100 pixel. Item with 250 pixel, flex direction column, margin 0 pixel, top bottom left right 20 pixel, background color var item color, box shadow 0 20 pixel 40 pixel hash CCC, border radius 15 pixel dot. Now img outside with img outside with 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, background var secondary color, position relative, margin 20 pixel 0. Here I use CSS clip path octagon shape from a clip path generator. I copy the code and paste it within the img outside. Now design the img inside with position absolute, top 3 pixel, left 3 pixel, right 3 pixel, bottom 5 pixel. It makes the border around the clip path shape. Background color var item color. Now design content. Text align center, color var item color, padding bottom 30 pixel, background image linear gradient, border bottom left radius 15 pixel, border bottom right radius 15 pixel, border top left radius 50 pixel 30 pixel, border top right radius 50 pixel 30 pixel. Now content H3, text transform uppercase font size 25 pixel, margin top 10 pixel, font weight 400. Now content P, margin top 10 pixel, font size 15 pixel, font weight 300. Now design the next print button, owl carousel dot owl nav button dot owl next dot owl carousel dot owl nav button dot owl preview. Font size 60 pixel, color var primary color, position absolute, top 30%. When the button is hover, color var primary color, background var item color. Now the position of button dot owl nav button dot owl prev left minus 50 pixel, dot owl nav button dot owl next right minus 50 pixel. Here I missed to add font family, so add the font family Oswald sans serif. Now customize the script tag dots false, autoplay true, smart speed 1200, auto height false, responsive 0 pixel item 1, 600 pixel item 2, 1000 pixel item 3 and 1200 item 4. Now the design is complete, but the P tag is very big, so reduce some word from P tag. Now it looks good. Our design is complete. If you like this and if it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Now I make the design responsive. At media, max width 992 pixel, wrapper width 75%, margin auto. At media, max width 768 pixel, dot item width 230 pixel. Now reset the next print button position, dot owl print minus 25 pixel and dot owl next minus right minus 25 pixel, section heading font size 25 pixel. At media, max width 500 pixel, dot wrapper width 60%. Now the design is responsive also. Thank you for watching the video.